There's a hospital over here, so I can't play music that loud. This was a pretty interesting song, I would have to say. It's called Naboom Maznoon. There are a lot of rendition of this song, and this is nice actually. Very, very interesting. Arabic song remix. So yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed the song. Catch you later. So the entire day and yesterday was sort of a strike, therefore the vehicles were not coming out, and today was a very pleasant day to roam around in Dhaka city actually, because this is very rare. Otherwise the traffic situation is crazy, and this is a well, he thinks he's fast and quick, and he can get away with that.